Today I'm going to show you how to make M&M Christmas cookies. The kids will love them. Okay, we're going to start out with 1.5 cups of, 3/4 cup of softened butter, but it's not softened. I left it in the microwave too long. So I think it'll still be fine. And then we're going to add 1/2 cup of sugar. This is a very easy recipe. Okay, 1/2 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. You want to always pack it. So that's my 3/4 cup. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And 1 egg. And I'm going to cream that together. And I think I got a little bit of a shell in there. Oh well, I think it was something else. All right, so now back to the video. I'm going to cream this together. These are going to be wonderful cookies, and the kids love them. Okay, now we're going to add 2 cups of flour. Easy peasy. Okay. And then I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I like to move things out of my way, so, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay. And now what we're going to do, after we get this mixed, we're going to add 1 cup of just chocolate chips to the batter. And then we're going to dip each cookie into M&Ms. And I could have got the Christmas M&Ms, but I don't know. I like the more colorful ones. I think they look prettier on a plate. So get this mixed up. Easy peasy, you guys. Nothing to it. Nothing to cookies at all. Okay, so now we're going to add 1 cup of chocolate chips. You can use the mini chips if you want, but I'm going to use these. Okay, I'm going to mix that in. These wooden spoons are what you want for cookies, for sure. This is my 10th video on my Christmas cookie series. So you'll have to check out my other Christmas cookies. Okay, that looks good. Now, I'll wipe off my counter. And I am going to set this off to the side. grab my little bowl here. I'm going to put part of the bag in, and if I need all of the bag, I'll put it all in. I'm going to try to do this without having to set them all in there, you know, one by one. I like to do things the easy way. So what I'm going to do, bring my cookie sheet over, and I'm going to scoop out a cookie. And then I'm going to roll it, and I'm going to dip it in these. See? A lot easier than going plunk, plunk, plunk. So I'll do one more and show you. And I'm just doing a level scoop. I'm rolling it, then I'm just pushing it in the M&Ms. And when I get these all built, I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm scooping my last one. That didn't even take 5 minutes. These are super easy cookies, you guys. And there we have it. And just make sure they're evenly spread apart. And look at that, how pretty they're gonna be. See? Nothing to it. So I'm gonna put these in a 375 oven for 10 to 12 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, they're coming out of the oven. And I let them go for 12 minutes. And that looks just about right. So I'm gonna put my other ones in. 12 more minutes. And let me show them to you. Were those easy or what? And I wanted to tell you on my second batch, I did push them in a little bit. So I don't know if that's gonna make a difference or not. And when I did my hair today, it reminded me of that lady on The Sound of Music, where she's bowing and bowing. I don't know if you ever saw that movie. But anyway, this is easy for me and it keeps it out of the food. So anyway, when these get all done, I'll get back to you. And I wanted to tell you, you want to let these rest. I don't want to pull them right off the pan because they're very delicate at this point. So I'm going to let them rest for a couple minutes. Okay, I ended up with 33 cookies. This last pan that I did is a small pan and they were a little too close. So those would be the ugly ones that we eat. So I'm going to plate these. Look at how pretty these are. I love it. Maybe one more pretty one. Look at those. What a cute cookie. And easy as can be. So, thank you for watching. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. Love the Lord with all your heart. Until we meet again.